हेलो हेलो आवाज देख तो हेलो 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 चेक चेक
So good morning, students. Ansul Ramola, Saksham Notial, Naman Kukriti, Aradhya, Yogesh Samiksha, Ayushi, Akriti Vaishnavi Ramola, Legend Gaming. Who is this Legend Gaming? Sauryansi, Simran, Sneha, Divyans, Aradhya, Akarshi, Mohit Rawat, Rins, brother of Piyush Rawat. Himanshu Rawat is there. Akshita, Samriddhi, Anuj Dabral, Khushi. So only 27 students are there. Hope I am visible and audible. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay. So in our previous class, we solved some of the question of the chapter number 14, exercise B. Question number 1 and 2 we had solved, and now let's move to question number 3. Question number 3. So question number 3 says, find the slope of a line passing through the points A and B. 2 points are given. 2 points are given, A and B. 2 points A and B are given. Coordinates of A are -2 and 3. -2 and 3. And coordinates of B are 2 and 7. 2 and 7. So in our previous class, I taught you that there are two ways. दो तरीके हैं जिससे we can find slope. One was when theta is given. So if theta is given, slope is equal to tan theta. And second, जो मैंने आपको बताया था, that was when 2 points will be given. So in this question 2 points are given. We can easily find the slope. You will say, sir, we know that slope को हम m से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, इज इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, or you can write y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. So let us take this y2 x2 y2 x1 y1. So क्या हो जाएगा, 3 minus 7 upon -2 minus 2. minus 2 minus 2. So this will become 3 minus 7 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So minus 4 से minus 4 cancel. This is equal to 1. So what is your slope here? M of this line AB is equal to 1. Slope of this line AB is equal to 1. So can you guess, if slope is 1, what is the inclination of this line? Yani what is the theta, what is the angle that this line is making while intersecting the x-axis? For what value of theta tangent is 1? I hope you all are able to guess. Okay, that's solved. The 2 points are given. It's of AR minus 2 and 3. Okay. So M is equal to 1. Slope of this line AB is equal to 1. Let me tell you one thing. मैंने आपको क्लास में बताया हुआ है, a line consists of infinite number of points. A line consists of infinite number of points. So for finding a slope, we need only 2 points. लेकिन आप इस लाइन के किसी भी 2 पॉइंट्स को लेंगे, यू कैन टेक एनी 2 पॉइंट्स लाइंग ऑन दिस लाइन एंड द स्लोप विल बी सेम. किसी भी 2 पॉइंट से आप स्लोप निकालेंगे इस लाइन से, तो दैट विल बी सेम, स्लोप विल बी सेम. So this was the question that find the slope of this line AB. Second part of this line says slope of a line perpendicular to AB. He is asking us find the slope of a line which is perpendicular to AB. So let us say this is the line. We have to find the slope of this line. Now, in our previous class, I have taught you that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, so what is the condition? So पहले हम imagine कर लेते हैं. Let us assume something. Let the slope of line perpendicular to AB be M1 ले लिया मैंने, या इसी को M1 मान लेते हैं हम. This is, let us say this is M1. So this will be M2. Let the slope of line perpendicular to AB is M2. Let us say इसकी slope जो मैंने let करी है, that is M2. So we know that, what do we know? We know that, what is the condition? M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. That is product of a line slope and product of slope of a perpendicular line is equal to minus 1. So what is M1? M1 we have already found, and that is 1. M1 is 1, M2 हमको निकालना है, is equal to minus 1. So यहाँ से आपका M2 आ जाएगा minus 1 upon 1, that is minus 1. So this is a very easy question. I hope आपको ये समझ में आएगा. So these are just for the basics. Okay. So I hope you all must have learned something from this. Ninth B. Okay. So this is an easy questions. So there are so many questions. Question number 4 is there, the slope of a line BC of a rectangle ABCD is 2/3. Find the slope of a line side AB. So इसको मैं आपको थोड़ा ऐसे बता देता हूँ how to solve these questions. We are not going to spend too much time on this question because this is an easy one. So I hope you all must have noted this. Note this as your classwork. So ये बोल रहा है कि the slope of a line side BC of a rectangle ABCD. So let us draw an rectangle ABCD. कहीं से भी स्टार्ट कर लो. दिस इज ए बी सी डी. ए बी सी डी. वी नो दैट ईच इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज 90 डिग्री. सो इसने बोला स्लोप ऑफ अ लाइन BC. व्हाट इज योर BC? स्लोप ऑफ लाइन BC इज 2/3. BC की स्लोप है 2/3. टेल मी, डोंट वी नो दैट ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल्स आर parallel to each other? So BC will be parallel to AB. BC will be parallel to AB, and we have learnt that slope of parallel lines are same. Slopes of parallel lines are same. So if BC is parallel to AD, तो जो इसकी स्लोप होगी वही तो इसकी स्लोप होगी. Tell me. Now we know that AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC because ये 90 डिग्री पे एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं एट द पॉइंट B. So क्लास में बताया हुआ है if slope is 2/3, परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का कुछ भी नहीं कर देना है, रेसिप्रोकल कर दो इसको 2/3 का 3/2 and change the sign. If this is plus, this will be minus. Had this been minus, this would have been plus. Simple. And tell me, AD is parallel to CD. So if slope of AD is minus 3/2, slope of CD will also be minus 3/2. So this is an easy one. This is an easy one. Okay. So question number 5 is your homework. Let me tell you, because इसमें क्या given है? Slope निकालनी है आपको. 2 points are given and you have to find slope and you have to find inclination. These sort of questions we have already discussed, so we are not going to dwell too much into this. Next is question number 6. The side AB of an equilateral triangle is parallel to the x-axis. Find the slope of all its sides. I hope आप लोग समझ गए होंगे. इसने बोला ये भी सॉल्व नहीं करना है, घर पे आपको रफ में प्रैक्टिस करना है. समझा मैं दे रहा हूं कैसे करना है. It is said the side AB of an equilateral triangle. We have an equilateral triangle. तो साइड AB जो है ABC, in this AB is parallel to the x-axis. AB is parallel to the x-axis. And we know that, can you guess what will be slope of this line AB? What will be slope of this line AB? अब आप सोचेंगे सर यहां पे स्लोप पूछ रहे हैं. There are two ways स्लोप निकालने के लिए. One is when we have what? Theta. And दूसरा तरीका when we have coordinates of the points given. तो coordinate तो यहाँ पे है नहीं. That means theta must be given. And indeed theta is there because AB is parallel to x-axis. That means the theta AB is making with x-axis 0 because two parallel line never intersect. ये जो AB है this will never intersect with x-axis because these two are parallel. So slope of line AB is yes 0. We know that this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Both are 60 degree each. Both are 60 degree each. So एक का तो slope 1060 and 1060. What is 1060? 1060. 1060. 1060 is √3. लेकिन आप सोचेंगे सर इसमें एंगल कैसे देखा. अगर मैं इसको यहाँ पे आगे बढ़ाऊं, यहाँ पे, ठीक है. सो दिस इज योर एंगल. इस तरीके से आप ले रहे हैं इसको. तो 1060 विल बी √3. इसको बढ़ाओ जरा यहाँ पे आगे. आप बोलेंगे सर इस बार ये जो एंगल ना आप यहां से ऊपर की तरफ, we are measuring this angle this side. Are you getting this or not? So this is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise मैंने बताया था, anti-clockwise it is always positive, so it will be 1060. Positive यानी √3. 1060 नेगेटिव में आएगा, 1060 that means this will be minus √3. This will be minus √3 because this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. I hope it is clear. So ये questions सिर्फ basics हैं. इसमें जो important questions हैं, if you have your books along with you, you can take question number 7, 8, 9, 11, 13 and 14. Let me reiterate. Question number 7, 8, 11, 13 and 14. So these are the important questions from your exam perspective. Okay. So let me see whether you are watching or not.
of AR minus 2 and 3. इसको मैं आपको थोड़ा ऐसे बता देता हूँ. This order 60 and 1060. What is 1060? 1060. 1060
Yes.
is √3. लेकिन
Yes, I can see students commenting here. M1 into M2 is equal to -1. Very good. Vaishnavi, Aradhya, Priyanka Arora, Ishan Notyal, Kanishka, Divyansh,
आप ले रहे हैं इसको. तो 10
Ansul Ramula, Naman, you all are commenting. Very good. That means you are revising it. Yes, 45 degree also you have mentioned, because I had asked you if your slope is 1, what will be inclination? You had answered 45 degree. Very good. Okay. So now we are going to solve our next very important question. Let me tell you, from exam perspective, this question is very important. This sort of question has been asked in your board examination many a time, and these are very easy one. Okay. So first question that we are going to solve is question number 7 and 8. 7 and 8 both are same. So one I will solve and one is your homework. So I can solve any question. Let me solve question number 8. So question number 7 is your homework. Okay. In this question, there is a word collinear. There is a word collinear, and I have taught you in the class what does collinear means. What does collinear means? Comment karo jara. What does collinear means? I will check later on. So he's saying there are 3 points. There are 3 points. There are 3 points. 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 points. There are 3 points. Let us name them. I am naming them. This is A. This is point A. This is point B, and this is point C. Coordinate to the point A. Let us say it is A and 3. It is given. B का 2 and -4. 2 and -4. And C का -A +1. So this is its x coordinate, and y coordinate is -2. I hope it is clear. So there are 3 points A, B and C, and it is given in these questions that these are collinear. These are collinear. Now what does collinear mean? What does collinear means? कोलिनियर नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, कोलिनियर. कोलिनियर मीन्स पॉइंट विच आर लाइंग ऑन द सेम लाइन. Points of the same lines are known as collinear points. Let us say मैंने एक लाइन ड्रॉ करी, हाउ मेनी पॉइंट्स, इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट, सो दिस लाइन कंसिस्ट ऑफ इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स and hence all these points are collinear, all these points are collinear. I hope it is clear, all these points are collinear. Now अब तक हमने देखो there are two conditions जिससे हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. How, though it is given in this questions that these are collinear, कैसे प्रूव करते थे हम that these points are collinear? I have taught you. If these points are collinear, then AB plus BC should be equal to AC. क्या कहा मैंने? Let us say ये point A है. This is your point A. This is your point B, and this is your point C. Let us say AB की लेंथ है 3 and BC की लेंथ है 4. So if AB plus BC is equal to AC, that means AC must be 7. Then only you can say these points are what? Collinear. अगर ये इनमें से कोई सा भी इमेजिन करो आप, A यहां पर है, C यहां पे है, and B is not lying on this. B will be somewhere like this. So tell me, can we say AB plus BC is equal to AC now? है नहीं. AB plus BC is not equal to AC. This means B is not lying on the AC. Now क्यों कह रहा हूं मैं ऐसा? Because if B is not lying on this line, that means this will become a triangle, and in triangle we know that sum of any two side AB plus BC is greater than the third side. AB plus BC will be greater than the AC. That means it will be a triangle, not a straight line. So if AB plus BC is equal to AC, then only we can say that these are collinear point. एक तरीका तो ये है. सेकंड तरीका जो कि अब हमने सीखा हुआ है, नाउ इन फ्यूचर जब भी कोऑर्डिनेट में ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे तो वेरी आसान. इमेजिन करो जरा, कमेंट करो कोई बच्चा कि हाउ कैन आई फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस A. How can I find the value of this A? It is given that these are collinear point. इस कंडीशन से नहीं, conditions that we have learned. I hope you all were able to guess. Tell me, if all these points are collinear point, if all these points are collinear points, तो क्या इनकी स्लोप सेम नहीं होगी? If ABC are collinear, I have taught you that we need 2 points to find the slope, and this line consists of infinite number of points. If you take any 2 points, slope will be same. So you will say, sir, that means slope taken from the point AB will be equal to slope taken from the point BC, or the slope taken from the point AC will be same. कोई भी 2 पॉइंट आप लेंगे वहां से स्लोप आपका सेम आएगा. I hope it is clear. Now that means slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC. क्या कंडीशन लिखेंगे आप यहां से? As points A, B and C are collinear, slope of what? AB is equal to slope, solo, why am I writing it solo every time? Slope of BC, or you can say slope of AC also. कहीं से निकालेंगे, आंसर will be same. So what is slope of AB? This implies that slope of AB क्या है? y2 minus y1. स्लोप इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? आप लोग स्लोप इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? स्लोप इज इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. ये हमको पता है ऑलरेडी. सो लगा दो यहां पे AB का. हमने लिख दिया यहाँ पे स्लोप ऑफ ए बी इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ बी सी। ए बी का स्लोप कहीं से निकाल दो, इधर से कर लेते हैं 3 माइनस 4 y2 माइनस y1। सो 3 माइनस माइनस 4, जहां पे माइनस ब्रैकेट लगा दो, अपॉन x2 माइनस x1 a माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ bc, इट विल बी सेम y2 माइनस y1, यानी माइनस 4 माइनस y2 in this case is minus 2, so minus 2 upon x2 minus x1, x2 is 2 minus x1 is ब्रैकेट लगा दिया minus a plus 1। आई होप यहां तक क्लियर होगा। नाउ इट्स वेरी इजी कैलकुलेशन। 3 माइनस माइनस 4 प्लस 4, 3 प्लस 4 7 अपॉन a माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4 माइनस माइनस प्लस माइनस 4 प्लस 2 माइनस 2 होल अपॉन मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे अंदर प्लस a माइनस 1। आई होप यहां तक इट विल बी क्लियर। नाउ दिस इज 7 अपॉन a minus 2 is equal to minus 2 upon 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus a, 1 minus a। now cross multiply करेंगे 7 into 1 7 minus 7a is equal to minus 2a plus 4, minus 2 into a minus 2a minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4। now इस माइनस 7a को उधर लाओ और 4a को इधर लेके आ जाओ। सो दिस 7 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2a प्लस 7a, 7a माइनस 2a, इसको इस साइड लिख देता हूं मैं 5a इज इक्वल टू 7 माइनस 4 3, 7 माइनस 4 3। आई होप इट इज क्लियर। माइनस 2a प्लस 7a, 7 माइनस 2 5a, 7 minus 4 3। so what is a is equal to 3 upon 5। the value of a is 3 upon 5, so this is your answer। so value of a is your 3 upon 5। so same way let me tell you again, this question is very very important। this is question number 8, this is question number 8, and same way question number 7 is same way 3 points are given collinear and you have to find the value of whatever is there, a or b given। are you getting this or not? so यहां पे मैंने बताया क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 8 and all are same, nothing 13 मैंने बताया, 14 मैंने बताया आपको। all these questions are very important and very easy, और सब में आपको एक ही चीज लगाना है, slope of a line, slope of a line, slope of a line। so this is it for the day। so in next class, hope there is no online classes, we will discuss some, I won't repeat these in the offline class, that's why I messaged you yesterday that be present in the live class। I hope you all must have learned something। if you have any doubt, go through this video again, it will be clear। ठीक है? so see you tomorrow। your homework is one I have already given you and one is question number 7। so these are your homework। take care, utilize your time।